Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. February 28, 2026, Saturday Racing. Karera sa araw ng Sabado, dito pa rin sa Philippine Jockey Club, Padre Garcia, Batangas. Patuloy po, Veracom Rating Base Handicap System Race. Ngayong araw ng Sabado, all in all, meron po tayong 7 karera. At ang lahat ng 7 karera ay may distansyang 1,400 meter run. Starting time ng karera ngayong araw ng Sabado, 3 p.m. alas 3 ng hapon. Patuloy po, Veracom Rating Base Handicap System Race. Race number 1. Umpisa ng winner take call, covers races 1 to 7. Isa itong 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. Dito po sa race 1, ang ating pong cool first choice, yung likely nasa unahan, baka hindi lampasan o hindi malampasan. Cool first choice number 3, si Pokot Boy. Ang ating pong cool second choice, yung most likely outstanding favorite dito sa race 1, yung papatong kagad at will try na makadikit agad-agad. Cool second choice number 2, Rookie Player. Race 2, pick 6 covers races 2 to 7. Race 2 po, merong pentafecta event. Solid rating base handicap group na 11 to 15 po lahat itong race 2. Ang ating pong cool first choice, akin pong humble observation, makokontrol niya ang pacing sa race na ito at agad siyang makukuha ang front lead. Cool first choice natin, number 4, Gentle Giant. Cool second choice. Ito po sa aking assessment ay matulis na susugod at pag yun na nangyari, lalampas. Cool second choice, number 2, Antonio de la Mugis. Meron po tayong cool third choice for a surprise win. Baka ito na ang kanyang hinahantay na race. Cool third choice number 5, River South. Race 3, pick 5, covers races 3 to 7. Another non-winner group. Ito naman ay 4-year-old maiden race placers. Lahat ay pawang 4 na taon na. Lahat ay pilis, mga babae. At lahat imported horses. Mix po ito ng mga medyo ilang beses nang nakatakbo. Katulad ni Lady Savine, Sense of Joy, Glorify. At yung dalawa naman, Queen Liam at Pioneer with Age, parehong first time na regular run ngayon, parehong galing sa Novato Run at nanalo doon. Ang ating pong napiling cool first choice, yung pong sa akin humble observation ay flex na ang mas flex na ang mga muscle. Cool first choice number 4, Sense of Joy. Matagal-tagal ko po bago na conclude kung sino ating cool second choice. between Queen Liam and Pioneer with AIDS. So ang ating pong cool second choice, yung namumulaklak sa tip, Miss ng Katie, Mr. Blue, Mr. White, Mr. Yellow. Cool second choice number 1, Queen Liam. Dumako naman tayo ngayon sa race 4. Pick 4 covers races 4 to 7. Rating based handicap group, solid, lahat 6 to 10. Ang ating pong cool first and only choice, nabitin nakaraan, pero ngayon parang tingin ko po mas maganda na itatakbo dito at wala nang duda. Cool first and only choice number 3, Heroes del 96. Punta tayo sa likod ng programa, race 5, may Pentapecta event. Solid na rating based handicap group 22 hanggang 27. Dito sa race 5, ang ating pong napili, cool first choice, yung nabanggit ko nakaraan na nasuklian, naungusan tuloy sa finish line, pero ngayon cool first choice pa rin natin, number 5, Amazing, with Jackie JPA Guse. Ang ating pong cool second choice, number 1, Circus Crowd, may bilis at may remate. Skipper by PM Cabalejo. Meron po tayong cool third choice dito. Baka yung kanyang mga nakarang takbo na pa floating run dito ay magseryoso na. Ang ating pong cool third choice, number 4, Whiskey or Wine, J.A. Guse on top. Race 6, penultimate race. Ito pong race 6 ay pinakamababang rating based handicap group 5 and below. At dito ang ating pong cool first and only choice, basta positive running, number 4, Clairvoyant, JM Estorque on the saddle. Last race, race 7, paratingan, may Super 6 event. At itong last race po, race 7, ay solid na rating based handicap group 6 hanggang 10. Ang ating pong cool first choice, malamang na malamang, outstanding favorite dito sa last race, number 9. Matagal-tagal na hindi tumakbo, merong napagbasihan naman tayong latest o recent na barrier run. Muli ang ating pong cool first choice, number 9, Babe in Hoblut. Meron po tayong cool second choice, just in case. Cool second choice, number 8, Early Bird. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!